In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a reminder bot on Slack so you never forget important tasks, follow-ups, or deadlines again. Slack has a built-in reminder feature called slackbot, and the best part is you don't need to install anything or pay for extra apps. Whether you're working solo or in a team, this is one of the easiest productivity wins you can add to your workflow. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software guides just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Slack and go to any channel where you want to create a reminder. This can be a public channel, a private channel, or even your personal space in Slack. You can also use direct messages if the reminder is just for you. Once you're inside the channel, click into the message input box at the bottom where you normally type messages. Now type /remind. This command activates Slack's built-in reminder bot, also known as slackbot. After typing /remind, continue by adding who the reminder is for. For example, you can remind yourself, remind a specific person, or remind the entire channel. If it's just for you, type /remind me. If it's for a channel, type /remind channel. Next, type the task you want to be reminded about. Be clear and specific so you know exactly what needs to be done when the reminder triggers. For example, you might type finish weekly report, follow up with client, or submit project update. After the task, add the time and date for the reminder. Slack understands natural language, so you can type things like tomorrow at 10 a.m., next Monday at 9, or even in 30 minutes. Slackbot will automatically interpret the time and schedule the reminder for you. Once everything looks correct, press enter. Slack will confirm that your reminder has been set. At the scheduled time, Slackbot will send you a notification reminding you of the task. This makes it incredibly easy to stay on top of your work without needing external reminder apps. If you ever want to view, edit, or delete your reminders, simply type /remind list. Slackbot will show you all active reminders and give you options to manage them directly. And that's it. You've successfully added a reminder bot on Slack using the built-in slackbot feature. It's fast, simple, and extremely effective for staying organized. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Slack tips and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.